look, snickerdoodle. Let me have some of that. Yeah. What was that for? You tried to touch my snickerdoodle. No one touches my snickerdoodles. Why can't I have some? Because I pick them. You didn't come with me when I picked them. You were out. I picked them. You suck. Well, can you at least give me one bite? With those shiny teeth, you're gonna bite a lot of jaws. No. You're just gonna eat the whole cookie. You're gonna steal it, and then you're gonna punch me. No. Well, I really want to punch you now. And that's the attitude. Why you can't have a cookie? So, don't eat my cookies. Now let me eat some. Wait, I gotta go to the oils room. Hey, I gotta go to the bathroom too.
Hey, a cookie. Hey, nobody's here, so I better see this. Plus me. That's a good cookie. Yep. Nope. I put this back before anybody notices.
Oh my gosh. The cookie's gone. Where's the cookie? It's cookie. I don't know what the cookie is. Alright, now time to eat me some delicious. Hey, Pop Fizz, what did you do with my cookie? I'm so dead hard. Alright, now. Oh, so you like eating cookies, huh? Well, no, I didn't eat your cookie. Lies! I will drop you in the sink. You don't have to do that. I said I will. Not that I can't. So, why you eat my cookie? I didn't eat the cookie. Oh, you slipping. I didn't eat the cookie. Alright, now.
Say go.
Alright, it was already recording.
Ooh, another delicious cookie.
Alright. Yeah. So go ahead. You know, I'm gonna torture you some other way. I'm gonna go ahead and torture you some.
Oh, good cookie.
You bastard! You trying to frame me, son? You're eating them raisin cookies. Eat them raisin cookies. No. Eat them. Why?